If you were to wanting to do multiple item changes or multiple selections, then you need to select the checkbox in order to be able to achieve that, as I just did then. We do have some really fast check items on the right hand side. We can select all of the plates. If you check that, all of the plates will be checked. If we select the top button and unselect it, that will unselect. We can select all of the sections. So that's just gone down and selected all of my sections. We can unselect them and select all of the vendor components in my project as well. So that's selected all the vendor items. Okay. And unselect, select and then unselect a lot. Okay. So there are some nice little tools there to help us filter out our selections for multiple items.